Hey everyone, did you know that over 80% of portable generators on the market today still rely on fossil fuels? That means they're noisy, they pollute, and they're not exactly great for the environment. If you've been looking for a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient alternative, I recently came across something pretty interesting, a 3 kW portable power generator that uses a magnetic generator with a 3-phase permanent magnet design. It's not your typical gas-guzzling machine, and today I'm going to walk you through what makes it different. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, the fact that this thing runs on magnetism instead of gasoline is a big deal. Most portable generators burn fuel to create power, which means you're constantly refilling them and dealing with fumes. But this one uses permanent magnets to generate electricity, so there's no fuel needed. That's not just convenient, it's also way better for the environment since you're not burning anything. I can see this being a game changer for people who want off-grid power without the hassle of traditional generators. Another thing that stood out to me is the 3-phase power output. If you're not familiar with 3-phase power, it's basically a more efficient way to deliver electricity, especially for larger appliances or tools. This generator can handle up to 3 kW, which is enough to run a fridge, a few lights, or even a small power tool. I tested it out with a couple of my workshop tools, and it ran smoothly without any flickering or drops in power. That kind of reliability is exactly what you want when you're relying on a generator for backup power. Now, if you're someone who likes to tinker and build things yourself, this generator is actually designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind. The kit comes with all the parts you need to assemble it, and the instructions are pretty straightforward. I'm not an engineer, but I was able to follow along and put it together without too much trouble. It's a great project if you're into renewable energy or just want to learn more about how generators work. Plus, once it's built, you've got a fully functional power source that you can use anywhere. One of the things I really appreciate about this setup is how quiet it is. Traditional generators can be as loud as a lawnmower, which isn't ideal if you're trying to use it in a campsite or near your home. But because this thing uses magnetic power instead of combustion, it's almost silent. I ran it in my backyard while camping, and the only sound was a faint hum. That's a huge upgrade if you've ever been woken up by a noisy generator at 3 a.m. The driving motor that comes with it is another nice touch. It's designed to work seamlessly with the magnetic generator, so you don't have to worry about mismatched parts or compatibility issues. The motor is efficient and helps keep the whole system running smoothly. I also like that it's compact and portable, so you can easily take it with you on road trips or camping adventures. It's not too heavy, and the build quality feels solid. Now, I do want to mention a couple of things to keep in mind before you jump in. First, this is a DIY kit, so if you're not comfortable with assembling mechanical or electrical components, it might not be the right fit for you. It's not overly complicated, but it does require some patience and attention to detail. Second, while the generator is efficient, it's not going to power your entire house. It's best suited for smaller loads like appliances, tools, or lights. If you're looking for something to run a full home setup, you might want to look into larger systems. Overall, though, I'm really impressed with this magnetic generator. It's a unique alternative to traditional portable generators, and it's perfect for anyone who wants a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient power source. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable backup option, this thing has a lot to offer. If you're curious and want to check it out, the link is below. It's a solid choice if you're ready to step away from fossil fuels and try something different. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.